Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Shocking and terrible news coming out of North Korea. Kim Jong-un, North Korea's dictator, has told his country that dog meat is a superfood. Kim is encouraging the starving people in his country to eat dogs. According to the North Korean leader, dog meat has more vitamins than duck, pork, beef, and chicken. To make matters worse, what the North Korean people are hearing is that torturing the dog to death will improve the taste, and this is coming right from the state's propaganda channel, DPRK Today. The channel also suggests that the meat is stamina food that is good for the intestines and stomach. According to the Korea Times, DPRK Today is telling, and encouraging, people to beat the dog to death first and then remove its fur and scorch it. DPRK Today is not the only media outlet touting the health benefits of dog meat to the North Korean people. The radio station Tongle Voice has said that puppy stew is a type of medicine. All this is coming out as Kim Jong-un tells his people that they may need to go on an arduous march. The march is another name for a 4-year famine which resulted in the deaths of millions in the 1990s. 2/3 of North Koreans are struggling to survive on food handouts. The handouts have been recently reduced. Amnesty International say that the majority of the population is now severely threatened because they are not getting enough to eat. Something needs to be done to help people and the dogs in North Korea.